A successful life is merely just a collection of successful days. What you do with today will determine where your life will be 10, 20, and even 50 years from now. The best way to guarantee your future is to be intentional with your present. Welcome to Learn, Inspire, Achieve. In today's video, we're discussing 10 ways to make every day count so that you can achieve your goals quickly. Number 1. Embrace a successful morning routine. As cliché as it sounds, your morning routine is one of the most important steps of your day because it sets the tone for everything else. It really doesn't matter when you wake up, as long as you have a routine that energizes and prepares you for the day. However, going to bed at a reasonable time and waking up early maximizes productivity and focus. Your morning routine doesn't have to be special where you get 100 things done before 7 a.m. Getting just one thing done as soon as you wake up, such as making your bed, can prepare you for a successful day. I've found that there are 3 preparations you'll want to make in the morning that will help you get ready for everything else. Firstly, something that energizes you. This could be coffee or doing a couple push-ups. Secondly, something that mentally stimulates you. Maybe reading a book or journaling. And lastly, something that prepares you spiritually for the day. For me, that is quiet time with God in the morning, prayer, and reading His Word. Having just those 3 things incorporated into your morning routine can change everything. Number 2, prioritize goal setting and planning. Setting goals and creating a roadmap for achieving them is crucial for making each day count. If you start your day with no idea of what you want to do or accomplish, you won't get anything done. That's why it's so important to have a vision for your life. Where would you like to see yourself in the next 10 years? Now, where do you see yourself in the next 10 years if you change nothing about your actions and habits today? That is your vision and your anti-vision. If there's a world of difference between the two, you need to start doing some things differently. Once you have a long-term vision for your goals in every area of life, it's time to break these goals down into daily actionable steps and create a plan for achieving them. For instance, if your 10-year goal is to have a net worth of $5 million, then you need to break that down. In order to achieve $5 million in 10 years, what do you need to do? What kind of business do you need to start? What skills do you need to learn? What type of investments do you need to make? Once you have that figured out, it's time to take action today. Only worry about step 1. Don't think about any other steps until you get there. Focus on your first step and get started. For this example, step 1 may be figuring out what business to start. Every day, have actionable goals for that specific day, and then work on those goals until you either complete them or you run out of time. Being very intentional with this is how you make your days count. Number 3, develop your growth mindset every chance you get. A growth mindset is essential for personal development and success. I've talked a lot about the growth mindset on this channel, but essentially, it's this: believe that you can grow as a human being in every area of your life. Here's the truth: you're not a victim of your circumstances. You're a victim of your mindsets. If you change your mindset, then your actions change, which transforms your life. If you're walking around with this mindset that you can't grow because you're not good enough at something, then you will never actually grow. The reality is you don't become successful with the same old habits, routines, and mindsets you adopted from other people and situations. You have to walk, talk, eat, and breathe like the person you envision yourself to be every single day. Even when you don't feel like showing up, go anyway because your future self is counting on you to grow. When challenges and failures get in your way, you have a choice as to how you respond. You can throw a fit and hide under your covers, or you can embrace it, learn from it, and move on. You cannot spend your days living with a victim mentality, making everything about you, and falling off the track because there was a bump in the road. Every time you face a problem or an obstacle, make the choice to think through it as your successful future self, not what your current feelings are telling you. Live like your future self every day and make your choices count. Number 4, practice effective time and energy management. Efficient time and energy management is vital for accomplishing meaningful tasks to the best of your ability. You've got to have a calendar that supports your most important tasks and events at the right time. You need to figure out when you have the most energy and then do the important things then. It's not helpful nor impactful when you do things that require mental and physical energy when you are tired and worn out. Your tasks don't get done right, or you're not present in the moment for real connection. Every day, prioritize your most important activities, schedule time blocks for them, and then eliminate the distractions for that activity. This is really where the growth mindset comes into play. In moments where you need to be present or focused, make the choice to avoid procrastination. When you develop routines and habits that optimize your time and energy, you are ensuring that each day is well utilized and aligned with your specific goals. Number 5, get out of your comfort zone. Every day, make a conscious choice to get out of your comfort zone. I hate to break it to you, but the only way that you grow is if you can expand your comfort zone. What terrifies you? What makes you scared? What things make your heart pump faster and your blood rush through your veins? Do at least one of these things every day. Obviously, if it could harm yourself or others, pick something different. This could involve trying a new hobby, exploring a different neighborhood, learning a new skill, or stepping outside of your social circle. I'll tell you that talking to new people at church makes me sweat, but I do it because it expands my comfort zone and helps me form new relationships. By getting out of your comfort zone, embracing the unknown, and stepping into new experiences, you'll develop resilience, adaptability, and overall personal growth. Think of your comfort zone like a muscle you exercise every day. The more you stretch and work it, the more it grows. Each day becomes an opportunity to challenge yourself, gain new insights, and create memorable moments that enrich your life. Number 6, focus on your health and wellness. Your physical and mental health are fundamental to making each day count. Without your physical health, you can't do anything, and without your mental health, you won't even want to do anything. Every day you'll want to prioritize activities that promote a healthy lifestyle, not because you have to, but because you want to. Exercise and eat according to your physical and nutritional goals. Get enough sleep. Go to therapy. The benefits of taking care of yourself physically and mentally are endless and obvious. That's how important it is. By prioritizing your health, reducing stress, and improving clarity, you'll have the energy and vitality to seize each day. Number 7, make time for intentional learning. Apart from exercising your body and emotional mind, you'll also want to exercise your intellectual mind as well. Your intellectual mind includes your capacity to think and acquire knowledge. This is where you learn things and build skills that help you in your personal and professional life. I can tell you from experience that by growing your intellect every day, you'll see a major shift in your life. So allocate time each day for expanding your knowledge and acquiring new skills. Read books, listen to podcasts, take online courses, or engage in hobbies that challenge you intellectually. You'll only grow to the level in which you learn and choose to take action. If you spend 15 to 30 minutes each day learning or expanding your skill set, it will translate into every area of your life and guarantee a successful future. Number 8, pursue your passions and interests. Carve out time in your day to pursuing your passions and interests. Engage in hobbies, projects, or activities that you enjoy and bring you a sense of fulfillment. The truth is that life is not all about work and purpose. It's about fun and play as well. If you're somebody who thinks that your only purpose is to work and serve, I want you to know that it's okay to have fun, take breaks, watch TV, play video games, or vacation. We live in a world powered by hustle culture. It's great to want to do work that changes your life and the world around you, but not at the expense of your soul. You're not a robot who can work 24/7, nor should you look at life like that. There's a reason why God made one of the 10 commandments to rest on the Sabbath. It's because rest is just as important as work, and they're both part of being human. When you take time out of your day to rest, have fun, or do something that brings life to you, you're reminding yourself of your humanity and why you're doing what you're doing right now. So that one day, after you've achieved your goals, you're able to spend more time with family, travel the world, or just buy a farm and raise chickens. This is one of the best ways to make every day count. Chill out and remind yourself why you do what you do. Number 9, practice being mindful in every activity. In our fast-paced world, we often find ourselves distracted and preoccupied during moments where we need to be present and available. This really comes down to your relationship with others. Life really isn't life without other people. To make each day count, make a conscious effort to practice the art of mindful listening and presence. When engaging with others, give your full attention to them and avoid interrupting, letting your mind wander, or thinking about how you will respond. Instead, truly listen. Here's why this is so important. 95% of your life is made up of communicating with others, and so is almost 90% of your day depending on the season you're in. Learning how to communicate with others effectively will build personal and professional relationships, and create an atmosphere around you that promotes connection, empathy, and understanding, which in turn can make every day count in your relationships. Not only that, but practice being mindful in activities you do alone. So often, hustle culture keeps us busy to the point where we don't even remember what we did a certain day. Never be afraid to slow down and enjoy the moments you're in, whether you're working alone in your office or going on a run. Having these memories to look back on is great, and each day fosters the ability to experience the richness of the present moment. Number 10, make time for journaling and reflection. End each day with reflection and evaluation to make the most of your experiences. You can do this by writing in a journal or by just sitting and thinking. Take time to assess your accomplishments, the challenges you faced, and the lessons you learned. Don't forget to celebrate the achievements and acknowledge the areas of improvement. Use this reflection time to make adjustments to your goals and plans, so that when you wake up tomorrow, you are ready to crush your day and make it count. I'll see you in the next video.